Monday. Little ride. Alright, let's hit the old record button. Side mirrors will come in handy. This little piece of connecting trail here. Oh, it ain't pretty good though. Holy. People block outlets. They do, but this is more for like ATVs and stuff getting to and from a gas station. And put a parking spot up there. Vehicle for you. Could be a palace inside. Somehow doubt it. Lovely spot. The old cottage there is not much for it, but the location's pretty nice. Hell, a great spot to have a cottage there or a cabin. Probably can't see it on the video, but right across there there's two or three more, three at least. And there's another one further over there. Very cool. Big old pine tree. That was a pretty technical section.
Yeah.
More than I expected, actually.
It's crazy.
Alrighty. I'm gonna put this up there. I'm gonna get here and have some lunch. This is the this is the spot for a picnic right here, boys. What a gorgeous area this is. Beautiful day. No work. ATV ride, side-by-side ride, whatever you want to call it. Picnic in the woods with the wonderful wife. It's pretty awesome. We got a little bit of Gatorade. Look, you even got napkins. A banana.
What do you think this is?
This is show and tell. Forks.
I get a picture of your salad.
That was yours here, isn't it?
Mine.
That's
Yep,
yours.
Salad. Big salad for you.
I'm a small salad eater. One of these salads is not like the other.
No.
Alright, like a fork.
Fork.
There. Gotta do an unveiling of this masterpiece. What kind of salad is it again?
I call it like
Ta-da!
mix.
Nice. Holy. Look. That's what I'm talking about. Tex-Mex. We got beef, we got corn, we got black beans, we got red and yellow or orange and yellow peppers. We've got some tomato.
Just shallot and a garlic.
Shallot, garlic, and a vinaigrette dressing. Fucking awesome.
And is this a lake? Yeah.
Something good. Delicious.
Are you talking to me or the camera?
Talking to the camera.
Exactly. I don't buy a response.
Can't even describe how good it is. Easy. Show that then. This is the life right here. Alrighty, here we are. Lunch is over. Beauty. Oh, that was a nice stop. Gorgeous day, delicious lunch. We will take it all day, every day. Come on, retirement, I say. Up here, big bridges. Big old tree down there. leave it there. I mean, not to be preachy, it's none of it's perfect, but that's just stupidity, ignorance, inconsideration for the environment and for everyone else who wants to use it. Beautiful area. You're on an ATV or a side-by-side to get in here usually. There's nothing at all, there's no reason at all why you can't just take that shit with you. A lot of water on the river. Had a lot of rain the last few days. A lot. G-force.
A few moments later.